But anyways, I'll go down again in a while. Okay. Now it's time to ask you guys. Bakit kayo nandito? Who has a date? All of you? Couples? Well, thanks for spending pasensya na sa mga lalaki, ha? Alam ko, niyakag kayo ng mga asawa at girlfriend nyo. Pasensya na kayo to bear with me for another hour. Pero, huwag kayo mag-alala, hindi ko agawin yung asawa nyo. Ha? Okay lang daw?
Okay lang.
Hindi ba galit? Wow! Parang hindi ako sanay, ano? What's up? Thank you. I have some friends, they're upstairs, backups. Are you guys complete? Maraming salamat, ha? I also have friends here from my small group. I don't know where they are. Kung makataas na ito si Shane. Yeah, Eric, Shane, is that Sen? Where's Joyce? Binibini. Can I see Binibining Joyce? Binibining Joyce, pwede po ba ako pagbigyan this time? Because I remember when I did Araneta, pumunta ka doon sa station, you said, "Thank you, Araneta!" I think I'd like to take this chance to invite you to come up on stage. Minsan lang ito mangyari sa PICC. Palapakan natin ang direktor, Direk Joyce Bernal. Kasama ang anak niya si Liam. Joyce, kaya mo yan. Sean lang katapat niya. The last time we were here, I remember we watched Josh Groban. Ang suot ni Joyce, sinelas. Sabi ko, Joyce, yung mga tao nakadamit. Nakasinelas ka, bakit tayo papasukin? Feeling ko ngayon nakasinelas na naman siya. Mukhang hindi, Mukhang hirap ka. Mukhang magagalit ka sa akin mamaya, Yan ang aking mahal na kaibigan, Direktor. Single pa rin niya hanggang ngayon. Naghahanap. She's very young, very sexy. Talented. Mayaman din yan. So, sa mga guys na, masipag yan, kaya niyo magtrabaho para sa inyo. Nakikinig ka ba? Yeah, Joyce, it's your chance. Wow, kumusta naman to? Ito lang na kaya, baka may gusto mo sabihin sa ating friends.
Happy Valentine's po.
You wanna say thank you, PICC?
PICC? Hindi ko po kaya to. Hindi siya katulad ng Araneta. Kagalang-galang yung mga tao dito. Mabuti pinapasok ako ng guard. Thank you, guard. Mahal kita. Sa'yo na lahat ng nasa savings ko.
Pagkakan natin Binibining Joyce Bernal! Okay ba yan? I think it's time na para mag-stop over muna tayo sa ating biyahe ng pag-ibig. To meet a friend and an admirable performer. Guys, trivia, she doesn't know this. She doesn't know I'm gonna say this. You know, I met her when I was doing Supili Mo. She was gonna sing for my wedding with Rika at that time in the scene. And then few months later, she was launched and later became, of course, the queen of Bossa Nova. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Miss Cindy!